Hi friends, welcome to Forex Raja, your channel for USDINR analysis for the trade on 31st August, which is for the trade of 1st September, which is for tomorrow. So, as you have seen on on Tuesday, or on Wednesday morning, I had clearly told that if the opening is not above 79.95, it will keep going down, and that's what we saw. That it just crashed, went down, 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 down. The reason for this selling is not clear. One of the news is about the RBI credit review policy, but there was no news today about this. At the same time, evening there was some pullbacks which happened, and again, from morning it has again come back to the same levels where the closing was there on Wednesday. So, what are we going to do for tomorrow? It is something that we will look at. So, for tomorrow, let's look at this 1 hour chart a little bit in detail. So, I'm taking 1 hour chart, I'm going to squeeze this a bit to see the trend. So, in this 1 hour chart, if I want to show you the trend, there was this trend of trend between 79.8 and 79.95. This was the line. When it broke, it went above 80, but when this channel broke, it has come on the downside. Now, one of the very critical channel or the line is this one, is this 79.40 level. If tomorrow opening is above 79.40, one can look for small buys, because Friday you have expiry. So tomorrow every premium will be shrunk or they will be eaten. So it is important that tomorrow you trade in lower quantities, whether it is in futures or in options, and properly buy or sell at very critical levels and not be in a hurry to buy. So if the opening is above 79.4, my intention will be on the buy side tomorrow. So I'll clear this up. So you can see this level where there is support also taken previously. You can see here previously there was a support taken, and when this 79.4 or 71.38 was not held, it then went down. So there is two analysis we will do. One is, if tomorrow opening is above 79.4 and above, then the first target one should look at is 79.55. Only if spot goes above 79.55, you can look at 79.6 and 63. If near 79.55, if you are seeing retracement downside or you are seeing selling pressure coming, then it is not crossing 79.55 tomorrow. So that is one of the ways in which you should understand that that's my next sorry that's my next level I need to look at. And if that is not breaching, which is somewhere here, then and if this level is not breaching, then 60 coming is tough. So if it breaches 79.55, carry over your positions on the buy side. If at all we see the opening below 79.4, then the downside target can go till 79.27, and it can even go to 79.18. So these are the two downside levels where if the opening is below 79.4, or at the opening it might open, let's say, at 79.48, and slowly if you see selling pressure coming near 79.40, then it can go further down also. So this is what I see for tomorrow. Let's see where the market opens tomorrow and how things shape up for the expiry. Thank you so much, friends.